mathematicians. Before you do your +8 facts today, I just wanted to remind you of a strategy that we've been using. We've used this strategy for +9s, but it works really well for +8 also. If I'm going to show you, I've got a double 10 frame here, so 10 on the top, 10 on the bottom, so this is a 20 frame. I've got my 8 here, so when I add two numbers, they're each called an addend. So the first addend is 8. If I were to do 8 plus 6, okay, I know that you guys have lots of strategies for this. I can almost imagine Isaac saying right now that he would turn this 8 into a 7 and turn the bottom 6 into a 7 because he knows that his 7 and 7 is 14. But the strategy I want to show you and remind you of today is called make a 10. So with this 8, we're going to decompose or break up this 6 so that we can make this a 10. Okay, so let's look at this. How many of these? An 8 plus 6, I'm going to change it to 10, because now this 10 frame is full, 10, and 4. And I don't need to smash and count up on that. I know that a 10 and a 4 is a 14. Okay, so this works with other numbers also. So 8 plus, let's say 8 plus 5. Okay, so I'm going to make a 10 by decomposing or breaking up the 5 and making this a 10 and a 3. And then I know that I know that a 10 and a 3 is a 13. Okay, what about this? Can I make a 10 with 8 plus 1? No. It's just 1 more than 8. That's 9. So that one doesn't work. Okay, it could work with 8 plus 7. Okay, so I could take 2 of those, and then I could have a 10 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I'll do that just to make it even easier to look at. Okay, so I made my 8 plus 7. I made a 10 out of that 8 by making it a 10 plus 5. Okay, so it's just one of the strategies that you can use. I know that you guys have lots of strategies, which is perfect. I just wanted you to remind you of the make a 10 and have you see that before you do those. And just think about what strategy you're using as you're doing your facts. Try not to always smash and count. Try to think about other strategies. Can I turn this into a double? Is this a double plus 1 more? Could I make a 10 out of this? So thinking about those strategies more than thinking about doing it quickly or just smashing and counting. So we'll share tomorrow morning some of the strategies that we used when we talk about these facts.